Hi everyone, this is Chandni from AIDS department from Vishnu Institute of Technology 3rd year. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showcasing my project called the Sports Management System. This project is built using Node.js, Express and EJS and it helps in managing sports related activities like login, registration, dashboard features. Before diving into the demo, let me quickly walk you through the technologies I used and the project structure. The backend is powered by Node.js with Express.js as the framework. For templating, I used EJS and for styling, custom CSS. The code is hosted on my GitHub repository. Now let's see the features in action. This is my code. This is my server file. I have folders like public and views. Let me run my project. To run my project, I use command node space filename.js. You can see my server is running on this bot. This is my home page. When you first open the project, you land on the home page with a modern sports theme design and background image. From here, you can either log in or register. I put special focus on the user interface. The background image gives a sporty feel, while the neon buttons with hover animations make it interactive. I also added an overlay effect so the text remains readable on the top of the image. Let me log in. First you have to register. I am registering with the name Lata and I am giving details. First I will select role as player and I am registering the player. Now I will log in. This is my player dashboard. Here you can see if you joined any sessions, here you can see, and these are the available sessions and these are my upcoming sessions. Now I will log out. Now I register the player as admin. I will select admin as the role and I will register. Now I will log in. This is my admin dashboard. Here the admin can manage sports and he can also create sessions for different sports and he can also add different sports. Now I will add sport chess. Here you can see the sport chess is added. Now I will create a session for this chess. I will give venue as Rajahmundry. I will give date. You should also give the time. Here admin can create session. Here you can see the available sessions and the chess session is also added. We can also view reports. You can see the total players joined and the unique players and the upcoming sessions and also the total sessions. Let's go back to the dashboard. You can also change password if you forgot. Let's log out. Here you can see in the backend the admin and player details are stored. Here I am using PostgreSQL. Let me quickly show you some important parts of the code. In server.js, I configured Express to server static files so that images and CSS load correctly. In the views folder, I used EJS to structure the pages dynamically. This way, the UI and backend are seamlessly integrated. One of the challenges I faced was getting the background image load properly. Solving this taught me how to properly configure static files in Node.js. In the future, I plan to add more features like managing tournaments, player stats, and admin roles for better control. I also want to make the UI more dynamic and add animations. This is the demo of my sports management system project. Thank you for watching.